Can you believe this? With just one single line of text, AI can now help you make an entire movie.
Good night, baby. See you next time. Remember to follow us.
Subtitles, voiceover, editing, all done automatically. It even generates the host's facial expressions. Google just took AI video to a whole new level. Their newly released VO3 model, paired with the Flow tool, is like a nuclear bomb for video creators. Today, we're diving into a full hands-on review of VO3 to see what makes this AI tool so insanely powerful. Let's get right into it. How to access it. First, head over to the Google Labs website, links down in the description. Once you're there, go to the Flow page. Heads up, this tool is currently only available in the US. If you're outside the region, you might need a VPN or extension to access it. Right now, VO3 is free to try for 1 month, with about 10 videos included. After that, it's $19.90 per month. Need more power? You can upgrade to Google AI Ultra, and there's even a 50% discount at the moment. Back on Flow's homepage, let's dive into a real test. Click on New Project. The layout is super clean and easy to use. The prompt input box is at the bottom. Top right of the box lets you choose video count and quality. The highest setting uses VO3, which costs 10 times more credits than VO2, but the quality jump is massive. Top left of the box lets you switch between 3 modes: text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. Let's start with the most powerful mode, text to video. Here's the prompt I entered. After waiting just 3 minutes, it generated an 8-second video, and the result is scarily realistic. Both the visuals and audio are incredibly lifelike, especially that second clip. Is it AI or real footage? Can you even tell? I also ran the same prompt through VO2 for comparison, and honestly, the difference is night and day. Advanced trick, AI voiceover from text. Want the AI to read a specific line out loud? Just wrap it in quotation marks. For example, I tested a sleep aid video with this prompt. Please create a female anchor whispering into the microphone. Good night, baby. See you next time.
No. Good night, baby. See you next time. Remember to follow us.
And wow, listen to this. The voice, the tone.
Night, baby.
It's unbelievably realistic. Seriously, this is next level cool. Bonus, editing and timeline tools. And we're not done yet. Flow's timeline editor is also super impressive. Let's say you want to continue a scene. Just click Add to Scene in the top left corner of any generated clip. It'll automatically extend your video and keep the character's appearance consistent. That's something most AI models still struggle with. Though this feature currently only works with VO2, it's already a game changer. You also get smooth timeline editing, drag and drop support, multi-clip arrangement, and video resolution up to 1080p, which is more than enough for most use cases. Need prompt ideas? Use Flow TV. Not sure what kind of prompt to write? Click on Watch Flow TV. This is Google's official creative inspiration library. Each sample video comes with full prompts attached. You can browse by theme, copy the ones you like, tweak them, reuse them. Super convenient. Final verdict: the most advanced AI video generator to date. Huge improvement in character consistency. Voice and lip syncing are industry-leading. Tons of potential for ads, shorts, creators, and more. But hey, it's not perfect yet. English prompts only, for now. Not great for anime or stylized looks. Some features aren't available in a VO3 yet. Generation stability still needs improvement. When we generate only one video, the sound is sometimes missing. AI is getting more powerful every day, but let's be real. Creativity, storytelling, and ideas still come from you. AI just lowers the barrier, but it's your imagination that makes a video truly shine. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Want more prompt templates or advanced tips? Let's chat down in the comments.